guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Nishita and I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. So this video is going to be a footwear haul. Now honestly मुझे लगता है कि YouTube पे इतने सारे clothing haul होते हैं. In fact मैं खुद I think I've done 3-4 clothing hauls, and footwear hauls I don't think there are enough, or maybe I haven't just come across them. Let me know if you feel the same way in the comments down below. All of these I got from Myntra and I got them at an amazing rate. They are still on discount, so I'm going to link all the product links in the description box. Do go check them out. And I personally think that footwear can make so much difference to your outfit. अगर आप कोई dress पहन रहे हो या skirt पहन रहे हो and आपने खुद notice करा हो that instantly when you put on a pair of heels or a pair of sneakers, आपका पूरा look, it comes together and it completely changes and amps up your outfit like 10 times. So I hope you find this video helpful and I hope आपको ये footwear पसंद आएंगे and you guys will go and pick it up, because I love it when you guys comment and DM me telling me that you bought the same thing. I mean, that's the whole point of doing these hauls, right? So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Now I've picked up a couple of heels, couple of flats, starting off with the basic black colored flats that I got. These are pointed toe ones and they have like a woven flower cut sort of a design, woven cut design on it. These are actually very suitable for your daily wear, even for work wear. If you travel through metros or if you have like a long travel commute to your office, flats, obviously everyone prefers that. So ये उसके लिए perfect है. And also if you don't like wearing heels too much, this would go really well with skater dresses and skater skirts. These retail for 2499, but currently it's on an amazing discounted price of rupees 999 only. It's actually from the brand called Dressberry, and I think these are really cute. So if you're someone who likes flats and especially pointed toe ones, do go for these. The second pair of shoes that I got are these open-toed beige colored flats. ये भी actually daily wear, casual wear के लिए बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. I love the floral detailing on it. These are also obviously really good for daily wear, but ये long time के लिए आप नहीं पहन सकते because it does not have an ankle strap like the previous black one. तो शायद ये आपको uncomfortable लगे थोड़े if you wear it for a prolonged time. But for say like 2-3 hours, if you want to go to the mall or go watch a movie with your friends, I think these would be really nice. ये obviously these actually I think will look really good with white trousers or flared pants or plazos. Kurti, Indian wear, kurto के साथ भी बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. In fact, I wore this for my Myntra kurta haul. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll mention the video on the screen somewhere. Do go check that out. मैंने उसमें ये कुर्तों के साथ पहना हुआ है. Otherwise, I think ये maxi dresses के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So if you're looking for something like this, do pick this up. The price for this is only rupees 909 after discount. इसका जो actual MRP है वो 2599 है. This is also from Dressberry and I found these really nice. So the third pair of shoes that I have are also from Dressberry. Actually जितने भी flats मैंने order करे हैं वो सारे Dressberry से हैं. इसका जो MRP है, this one is for rupees 1499, 1500 का MRP है, लेकिन मुझे discount पे ये 1200 rupees का मिला, 1199 to be exact. I picked this up because of the first of all जो उसके color combination है, it has sort of like a beige, brown and pink, which makes it a very neutral sort of footwear जो almost सबके साथ जा सकता है. Which is why I picked it up. इसके यहाँ पे braided detailing है, which I really liked. Again ये ankle strap है, so it'll give you more comfort. आप ज़्यादा देर के लिए भी पहन सकते हैं. Perfect for casual wear, even office wear. This obviously is not going to go that well with Indian wear, but ये आप jeans, dresses, skirts उन सब चीज़ों के साथ पहन सकते हैं. Moving on to the heels now, I think I got 3 flats and 3 heels. This one is from a brand called Marston Harbour and the MRP for this is 3600 rupees, but I got this only for 1299 or 1199, which is a great discount. ये अभी भी discount पे है, लेकिन अब इसका discount थोड़ा कम हो गया है. So you can go to the link and check it out. What I loved about this heel was that it's first of all it's a block heel, तो बहुत ही comfortable है. अगर स्पेशली इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक वेयरिंग स्टिलेटो हील्स जो बहुत हाई होती हैं और कभी कभी अनकंफर्टेबल भी होती हैं, यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर द ब्लॉक हील. एंड इफ़ यू जस्ट वेंचरिंग इनटू हील्स, आई हाईली रेकमेंड कि आप ब्लॉक हील्स या वेजेस से स्टार्ट करें. द कलर्स ऑफ दीज अगेन आर वेरी न्यूट्रल. मेरे पर्सनल फेवरेट, आई लव न्यूट्रल कलर्स पर्सनली, सो आई प्रेफर बाइंग स्टफ विद न्यूट्रल कलर्स. इसमें इट्स लाइक अ ब्लैक एंड वाइट लिटिल चेक स्ट्राइप थिंगी इन द फ्रंट. and it has a white leather strap. Again, this will go with everything क्योंकि ये neutral colors हैं, काफ़ी basic colors हैं, ये almost all outfits के साथ आपकी जाएंगी. Office wear के लिए भी ये काफ़ी अच्छा है क्योंकि block heels है तो आप comfortable भी रहेंगे और ज़्यादा देर तक भी पहन सकते हैं. I've also done a video on basic essentials that every woman should have in a wardrobe. उसमें मैंने footwear के बारे में भी बात की है. So अगर आप ज़्यादा footwear नहीं खरीदना चाहते and you want to make sure that you have all the right ones in your wardrobe, I've done a video on that. So I'm going to link that in the description box and also on the screen, so do go check that out. अगर आप मेरा shoe size जानना चाहते हैं तो all of them are in 38 size, Euro 38 and UK 5 size है. US का मुझे idea नहीं है, but it's UK 5 and Euro 38. The next pair of heels are from All About You by Deepika Padukone. ये भी मुझे बहुत ही insane discount पे मिला है. इसका जो MRP है that is 3799 and I got it on discount for around 1100 rupees. This is in a grey color. Again, it's a neutral color, so it'll go with almost all your outfits. पर ये भी block heels है. Personally, मुझे भी block heels बहुत पसंद है. शुरू में I used to wear a lot of stilettos when I started wearing heels. But then it used to be so painful, and I'm sure you can relate to it. Stilettos आप ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं पहन सकते unless you want to kill yourself. So which is why I ventured into block heels. पहले मुझे लगता था कि block heels बहुत ही आंटी टाइप लगती है, but they're not actually. They look really nice and smart, and they you know it's comfortable as well, so you get to wear heels and you also get to be comfortable, which is why I love block heels now. I think out of like 5 pair of heels, 4 would be like block heels in my collection. So this one is grey colored and from All About You by Deepika Padukone. This pair of heels is a little formalish, I think, so you can wear this for like formal dinners or even workwear. In fact, मैंने जितने भी shoes मंगवाए हैं, I've got them from a perspective कि मैं office भी पहन सकती हूँ. So if you're looking for more formal pair of shoes, you can definitely go for one of these. In fact, I just checked, इसका discount और भी बढ़ गया है. Now you can get these for $900 only. The last pair of heels that I have are these snake print ones. They have a little bit of black, a little bit of silver and a little bit of grey. Again, these are block heels which makes them super comfortable and suitable for office wear as well. Like I mentioned, मैं ये सारे office के ही हिसाब से I ordered these. These also come with an ankle strap which gives you a better grip on your foot. This is from a brand called Corsica. The MRP for these heels was about 2899, but I got it on a great discount for only $1,000. In fact, all the shoes that I mentioned are either under 1,000 or approximately like 1100-1200 rupees, which makes them really affordable in my opinion. So those were the 6 pairs of footwears that I ordered. I hope you guys liked them and I hope you guys will pick something up for yourself as well. Myntra has amazing sales most of the times and usually their products are on discount. These are still on discount even though I bought them during the EORS sale. So do go check it out and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want me to do more hauls like these, let me know in the comments down below कि मैं कौन सा haul next करूँ. And give this video a thumbs up, share this video as well, and of course if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video.